Hi everyone, this is the structure of our personal finance and Warren Buffett value investing strategy toolkit. And today I'd like to focus on how to track and manage your stock portfolio. So that's the sixth section of the toolkit. So we've got an Excel tool, very simple here with 6 tabs. The first one is called transactions. So here you're going to list all of the transactions that occurred. You've got, let's take an example, NVIDIA here, type buy. Okay, so there are 4 different types. Either you buy shares, you sell shares, you close a position. Okay, if you buy shares and then you sell them, you close the position. And you may also have received some dividends. So that's another transaction type. Column C, it's the currency. So you may have investment in different stocks, in different locations with different currencies. So it's a good practice to mention the currency of the asset that you purchased. Then the fiscal year, date, number of shares that you purchased. If it's a foreign investment, you have to put the foreign price and the exchange rate. Then that's the price in your own currency. The amount, so the amount is basically the number of shares times the price, simple. Then you've got what we call the expected internal rate of return. So that's the annual return that you expect over the next 10 years. Then you've got the actual rate of return that you will add once you sell your position. So you can see the difference between both numbers. Then we've got the fees, net cash flow, and the entity. So the entity, it could be an investment made under your name or under the name of your company. Tab number 2, stock portfolio. So that's this little table. So we've got all our investment here. We've got stocks here, number of shares, average purchase price, cost, current price, market value. So all of these numbers will update automatically based on the tab transactions. Okay, you can see the formula. We use a sum-ifs formula that will add here all of the shares that have been bought here. Okay. So market value, percentage of portfolio, unrealized capital gain, dividend, fees, and total return in dollars, total return in percentage, and you can also have the total return over the past year, for example. Okay. So very simple, very convenient, and once again, it simply take into account of all of the transactions that you listed here. Third tab is called realized gains. When you sell an investment, you either made a realized loss or a realized gain, and this is where we calculate those losses and gains. Then you also have a tab called profit, where we calculate for each year, or we help you calculate for each year the profit that you've made. So it can be a realized capital gain, dividends, cash interest if you put some of your money in a simple saving account, and then you also have the unrealized profit. So profit or losses that you made but that haven't been where the asset has not been sold. And then you've got your total, realized and unrealized profit. Okay. Internal rate of return. So here we've got a simple table where for each year we can calculate your annual return. Okay. And finally, we've got the dashboard with here your stock portfolio, performance, and the realized profit per year. which includes cash interest, dividends, and realized capital gain. So it does not include unrealized capital gain, even if that's a key metric that you should follow, but it's return, market value, total return. So the total return include everything, both realized gain, unrealized gain, dividends, and cash interest. Here we go. I hope everything makes sense. If you have any question, you can leave me a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks a lot for your attention.